Thanks for training with me. And don't forget to pick up copies of my books, Pilates for Athletes and Power Yoga for Athletes. The link to order both books is below.
Live, baby, live. Now that the day is over. Coach Vigue, my friends. Coach Vigue. Here's my cap. This is a Power Yoga for Athletes flow. Body weight, no weights, no machines. Great for any kind of athlete. Something that haunts me a lot is unrealized potential. And I know that power yoga, these flows are a huge key to keep unlocking that potential. So let's not waste a moment. I have a dinner party to get to in a little bit. We're gonna breathe in the nose, out the nose, check in below and let me know what haunts you. What is something day to day that haunts you that you really wanna get on top of? Boom, that's what she, be careful with that one. All right. Let's begin in downward facing dog. In the nose, out the nose. Repeat this flow as much as you wish. Let's bring it to down dog. Spread the fingers wide, walk the legs. You can modify at any time. This one is going to move, of course. Anytime we're dealing with athletic conditioning, we're going to cover a lot of ground in a short amount of time. That's what we do with Coach Vigue. That's what we love to do. All right, relax those shoulders. Do 10 more steps. 1, 2, 3, whatever you do, do it with great integrity, great flow, great control. All right, stretch it out, stretch it out. Let's do a vinyasa flow. Piece together all of your beautiful parts and even the rotten ones. Let's make those better. Inhale forward to plank. Keep shifting forward. Shoulders coming in front of the wrists. Look at that rock right there. Lower down, in hover, drop the knees to modify. Inhale, slide the hands back, lift up into cobra. Open up the chest, activate the arms, and stretch out the back. Ooh, cavitation right there. Exhale, lower down. Inhale up and back to downward facing dog. There's a huge rock right underneath the mat there. This is, God bless him, this is my dad's mat. Well, it was my dad's mat. Whew. Well used, well used. All right, walk or jump forward. Chair position, feet hip width. Take the arms forward, press back. Whoa, okay, here we go. I got to get myself under control too. 2 more breaths and we're going to a lunge. So keep your body nice and stable here. Nice and strong, the toes are loose. Step the right foot back, lunge. Ooh, square off the hips, stretch out that back leg, arms up. Sink down in the legs, 1 more breath. Step forward, chair. Now left foot back, lunge. Stagger the feet. Sinking down, stretch the back leg. Tall, yet loose. Step forward, chair. Let's do 2 more on each side. Keep it smooth. So we step back, right foot, lunge. Forward, chair. Back, left foot, lunge, smooth it out, chair, back, right foot, chair. 1 more time. You can repeat this as much as you want. Add this to your training. Add it to your training now. Chair, press it back, 3 breaths. Really activate the glutes, work the quads, work the core. All right, vinyasa flow. Step it back to plank, forward, down. Slowly melt it down. Let your body work as one. Legs extended, cobra or upward facing dog. Lift up, open the chest. Oh. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now walk or jump the feet forward. Eagle, eagle. Right arm forward, left arm underneath, wrap around. Hands together or fists. Press back. Now left leg is going to come up. Wrap it as comfortably as you can around that right leg within reason. Fingers up, shoulders down, elbows forward. 2 more breaths. Big for the legs, for the balance, and really opening the back. All right, step that left foot back. Eagle lunge. Haven't done this in a while. One of my favorites, combining these 2 powerful poses to open up and invigorate the body. Invigorate. Inhale, reach up and back. 1 more breath. All right. cactus arms open, and let's vinyasa flow. Kick the leg up if you like. Forward, down. Up dog. Good. Take it back, downward facing dog. Walk or jump forward. This time left arm forward, right arm underneath. Find that eagle. Fingers up, shoulders down, elbows forward. Can also wrap it. Here we go. Nice gift right there to yourself. Make sure you do this flow with your friends, workout buddies, teammates, coaches, teachers, anywhere, anytime. Anytime. All right, right foot back, eagle lunge. How's that feel? How are your shoulders feeling here? They feel like they're gonna burst? Practice, no problem, practice. Be consistent in your flows, in your training. 5, 10, 20 minutes a day. Oh man, you will see some improvements in how you move, how you feel, how you breathe, how you focus, how your body responds. One more breath. Good, big stretch, big stretch. Now, cactus arms open, melting down. Vinyasa flow, leg up if you like. Slowly down. Back to down dog. Forearms down, dolphin. Modify with the knees down or add the rock. The dolphin rock. Inhale forward, exhale back. You really want to get some strength and mobility in the shoulders. This one's for you. Let's do 5 more. In the nose, out the nose. Packing a lot in a short amount of time. Integrity. Integrity of the flow, of the movements. Teaching ourselves to maximize our time no matter what we're doing. Hi, B. Okay. All right, knees down. Sit on the heels, lace the fingers, open the chest after that dolphin, after that nice little fly swat there. All right. He'll be all right. He'll be around again to harass me. Open, open, open. Okay. We got time for one more. One more flow here. One of my favorites. Downward facing dog. Let's open up into a scorpion. So lift this leg up. Bend the knee. Start here. This might be enough right here. You might be going, this guy's nuts. What? Come on, I can't do that. Don't say can't. Can't. Just say I will. With practice. I will do this. I will improve. Drop this left forearm down if you want a little more. We're opening. Love this move. I just taught this a couple days ago in one of my live classes. Open up the abdominals, get a twist, get some blood to the brain. All right, now swing that right leg forward, pigeon. Open up as much as you wish. This is an extreme pigeon. Little surprise, you can keep it here, wherever you're comfortable, or I like to line up this part of my leg here, this little drumstick here, with the front edge of my mat, placing my hands here. I'm gonna slide that back leg back. I'm gonna lift, I'm gonna drop the shoulders back. I'm gonna breathe, and I'm gonna enjoy 5 deep breaths. Extreme pigeon. Power yoga has many facets. A big one is deep flexibility training. I like to call it youthening the body, the muscles, the limbs, the breath. Oh, love this one. Pay attention to that back leg too. You can move side to side to snuggle down into the pose. What haunts you? If it was Norman McLean, he would say, waters. All right, down dog or vinyasa flow. We'll finish off on the other side. We'll walk away from this mat taller, stronger, more confident, and feeling good. Left leg up, open if you like. Whoop. Forearm down is an option. 3 more breaths. How is your breathing? Don't shortchange the breath. Let it expand with each inhale and exhale. Okay, cannonball coming. Pigeon, other side, sweep it forward. Don't you love that transition? I love those. Sweep, bring it forward. So hold it here, or you can work into that extreme pigeon. You always got the options, my friend. There are so many options. Use the hands here gently, sliding that right leg back. This side, it's been tighter, so I definitely focus a little bit more on it. You can feel how your body will push back a little bit more from side to side. That's good. You want that live feedback. Everything's happening in real time. It's not a mail order type of thing where I'm ordering the pigeon pose and it's going to take 4 to 6 weeks. In the 80s, we got a Commodore 64, and that took about 4 years, I think, to get to the house. Every time that UPS truck would drive by, I was so excited. Either just drove by the house or dropped off, I don't know, socks or something. Finally got the Commodore. 4 years probably, yeah. But it's instantaneous here. Look at this. Real time. You're learning, you're adapting all the components that an athlete needs to perform at their very, very best all the time. All right, my friends, one more flow. Take it down slowly. How you feeling? How are those muscles? How's the flexibility? Cobra or up dog? Hold for an extra breath. A little smoky today out here. All right, child's pose. Stretch it back. What'd you think of that flow? Do it as much as you wish. It's me, Coach Vigue. Check in below. Any questions, any concerns? And let me know what haunts you, particularly with your training, with your physical training, your mental training, your spiritual training. What is it that gets on you? For me, it's unrealized potential. It's not doing what I know I need to be doing. It happens to everybody. I was out sick a couple weeks ago, a little tummy virus, so didn't have much choice in the matter. So now I definitely am excited to come back and work with you. All right, it's Coach Vigue over and out. I'm gonna go hang out on this rock. Hey, it's Coach Vigue again. You remember me? Let me tell you something. If you enjoyed this video, I have a free gift just for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from the brand new Sean Vigue Fitness app. Now, all you have to do is click the link below, either in the About section or the pinned comment. It'll take you to another page. You put in your email, and boom, that video will be sent to you right away. Ooh.